Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add shape in CapCut PC. So if you're struggling with complex graphics software, here I'm going to show you how you can find, insert, add, customize the perfect shape in CapCut. Now first, just open your CapCut PC and open the projects or start a new one. Here I'm going to just open an existing project. Let's say this one's right here. Sorry, this is not fun. So let's go back. Here I'm going to add this one. Okay, so here's the video that I want to edit, and to add shape, you can just easily go to stickers at the top, and here you can just click on the search column and add the keyword for the shape that you want to add. For example, in here I'm going to add circle. You can just choose which circle shape that you want to add into the video. Let's say I'm going to add this one in here. Click on the plus button, adjust the length of the stickers to match with the video. Then here you can click on the stickers and adjust the size. So by using the slider on a scale in here, you can make it smaller or bigger, just like this. And now the shape will be added to your clip. You can also find another shape. Let's try rectangle. On enter, and as you guys can see, there will be lots of rectangle shape options that you can add. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.